Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this short video, I'm just going to guide you through how you are able to install NumPy on your device. Okay, so I'm using Windows operating system, specifically Windows 11. So I'm just going to go to my command prompt, and all I have to do is just to search CMD, and there you have it. You can run it as administrator, or just click enter. Then there we have it there. Okay, so what I'm talking about is what is called NumPy. Okay, so what NumPy is, like, NumPy is just a short version of what is called numerical Python. So this is just a Python, like it's an open source Python library that is used for scientific computations. Okay, we're able to use it on algebra, matrices, so on and so forth. So the reason why we are trying to install this is because we have done a several number of questions regarding numerical analysis, particularly, let's say, numerical differentiation, numerical integration. What we want to do is to get those same questions and run them in Python and see what we are going to get. So this is the purpose of us installing NumPy on our devices. Okay, so if you're using Windows operating system, when you have opened your command prompt, just type pip or pip, then um, uh, install NumPy. Okay, something like that. So this is a command that we're going to run for us to be able to install NumPy. So this is the case if you're using Windows operating system. If you're using Linux, okay, it's a similar command, but after pip you just type 3. Okay, so you run that on your terminal, that is for Linux, and you'll be able to install NumPy on your device. If you're using Mac OS, it's a similar command that you're going to use. So and by the way, just make sure to say your device is connected to the internet, because if you're installing it for the first time, what you're basically doing is you are downloading and installing at the same time. So for me, my device is already connected to the internet, and by the way, my device already has NumPy. So what you do is that I'll just click enter here. Of course, I've already installed it, but when I click enter, I'm expecting to get a message telling me that NumPy is already installed on my device. So when you click enter, I just wait for a few seconds. Then if you look at this part, this tells me to say NumPy is already installed on my device, and what I have here is the version of NumPy that is installed. That is 2.2.3. Okay, so there is also a notice to say a new release of PIP is available, 2.25.0, 25.1.1. So down here I'm also given a command that I'm able to run to upgrade my my PIP. Okay, so if you're not sure if NumPy is installed on your device, like before you even waste your time trying to download it, if you're not sure if it's installed, you can also try to check uh, the version that you have, if you have one. So what you do is just to write this command Python. Okay, Python space -c space, you're going to open your quotation marks, then you're going to import. Okay, you're going to import numpy, then you're going to put your semicolons there. Okay, then you're going to print, you open your brackets there or parentheses, then you're going to say numpy full stop or a dot, then the lower dashes, then you type version, two lower dashes again, you close with your parentheses, then you close with your quotation marks. When you enter there, you're going to have this version coming up. So if you have a version that is coming up, that tells you to say NumPy is already installed on your device. If not, you're going to get a message telling you it's not installed. So another thing that I can do is that I can just say pip, um, pip list. Okay, pip list. I'm going to get a list of all the libraries that I've installed using pip. And by the way, pip is just more like it just comes by default. Okay, it just comes as default when you're installing Python to your when you're installing Python on your device, and that's going to happen if and only if you add Python to the path. Okay, so if pip is not really working on your device, and but Python is already installed, perhaps all you need to do is just to upgrade um, the version of PIP that you have, of which you run this command here, okay, which says python.exe space dash m space pip dash install, yeah, space dash dash upgrade pip. Okay, that's all you need to do. So for this one here, if I say pip list, then I click enter, uh, I'm going to have a list of all the libraries that I've installed using pip, including NumPy, which is right here. Okay, so this this now means that we're able to go to our question and perform everything that we need to perform on our question. We'll be able to solve our question in Python. Okay, so just watch out for the next video. Ensure you're subscribed. You ring the notification bell so that when we upload our videos, we'll be able to get the update. So if you have any challenges, you face any challenges as you try to do all these steps that I was showing you, feel free to let me know in the comment section and I'll be able to guide you through. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.